Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne Woolley. Kasama ko ngayon ang aking mataba na tito na si Uncle Wazza.
Yeah, I'll repeat everything you said then. Yeah, okay.
Uncle Wazza can't speak Tagalog, but today we are gonna teach him some Tagalog.
Aku ay mataba.
Kalbo din ako. Kalbo din ako.
Kalobin ako.
Kalbo din.
Kalbo. What the? Kalbo.
Din.
Ako.
Yep, so
How the hell do you guys even understand English, man? That's like friggin', these words are hard, man.
just say kalbo ako.
Kalbo ako.
Yeah. Kalbo means bald and then ako is me. So they speak back to front.
Kalbo mataba akbin.
Akbin. Akbin. Ano ba yan, Muslim?
Aladdin. Hare Krishna. Yes.
Mga kaibigan, may YouTube channel din si Uncle Wazza. Wazza Up ang pangalan ng channel niya. Subscribe kayo dun. I-link ko sa description below.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah! What's up? Yeah!
Dito sa bahay ni Uncle Wazza, meron siyang maraming costume na pang LARP. Ayan. Suotin natin.
This is Makeover 101 by What's Up. Makeup, please. Got some more green? I want to get the... I need some more. Thank you. Beautiful now. Thank you. Hey, what's your star sign? Raw. Oh, it's Easter. Whoa.
Maligo. Gusto ko sana ipakita sa inyo itong pinadalan ko ako ni Oppo ng bagong cellphone. 25 megapixel drop.
That's pretty good, 25 megapixel. And she's lively enough. Pretty, she's alright. Okay. But yeah, I can't say much more than that really. He's Filipino. No way, he looks Spanish. He's a Chilean. He's a Chilean, man. Seriously, man, how can that not be? He looks like a South American man, not like a Filipino. His wife is Filipino. That's his wife, eh?
That's his girlfriend.
Oh, his girlfriend.
Yeah,
Okay. He comes across good on the camera, that dude. If I could understand what he was saying, it'd probably help a lot more. But is he Filipino?
He's half Filipino. Yeah.
Okay. Well, what's his other nationality? He's got...
Croatian.
Ah. Okay.
And has been declared dangerous to human contact.
Wow. Okay. This was a bit more interesting to me. Probably because I can understand what he's saying, probably. This is Will's world. Okay. He's got a drone going there. He's done a lot of work on this video.
Yeah.
The problem is I've made videos, so I know how much work goes in. He's done a lot of work, this guy. Nah, this is awesome. Ooh. Okay. What the hell am I watching? Well, his video is very lively, I'll give him that much. I'm sure if I could understand what he's saying, it'd probably be better. But... This guy's got his own merchandising. He must be pretty big, this dude. How to become a professional YouTube blogger. Okay. Is what he's saying funny? I have no idea. He's very lively again. So that's the one thing I'm noticing. They're all pretty lively. Which is always entertaining, I guess.
What's one thing you've learned from watching these Filipino YouTubers?
Well, one thing I noticed is that they like to be very dramatic and over the top like this. Very exciting! Yeah! Yeah! I guess that is very entertaining to watch. That's one thing I have learned. They all seem to come across like they really, really love what they do, which is good. I couldn't really understand what... probably... I guess for me, because I can't speak Tagalog, I couldn't understand half of any what they said, really. But just from watching their actions in their videos, they seem to... some of them did better cuts and better putting the videos together a lot better. I could say out of all them ones, I think it was Will, was it Will? Out of all those ones, I'd probably scrubbed him. I guess because he puts subtitles in his, in his stuff, And he also, you know, he speaks English, so he swaps out with, I guess you call it Tagalog English or Tagalog English, or whatever it is. He was actually showing him parts of Philippines and does a lot of adventure stuff. He does a lot of crazy stuff. And anyone knows me, if I like to be crazy, I like crazy stuff, so he probably suits me better than the rest of them. Sometimes it's interesting, but out of all of them, I'd have to say Will would be the one. But maybe if I could understand half what they said, might have been a different story. Out of all of them, the only thing I saw that was in common was very excited. Pretty much, yeah, they make their videos try to be very, you know, up there all the time, like very active all the time. That's one thing I noticed that was all similar. That's about it.
Cool. Sweet.
And they're all good looking like me, maybe.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slow.
Welcome everybody to Curzon Hall. It's 25 shoutout time dito sa Australia. Una sa lahat, i-shoutout ko po si John and Angelica Park Socia Simbahon. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Next up, we have Lynn Esteban. Ayun, she enjoys the vlog so much daw. Maraming salamat po. Next up, we have Mylene Katampatan. Ayan, sana daw maka 1 million subscriber ang Duanta. Salamat po, Mylene. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have Polipom del Mundo's Life. Yun, interesting ang pangalan ng YouTube channel mo, pre. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Kita-kits sa sunod na video na Duanta. Bye-bye.